Hey guys, Rusty here with Garage 850. Today we're here with a customer concern of no power steering on this 2005 Honda Accord. I got my master technician over here, JoJo, that's going to kind of go through some details of what we have going on in this vehicle.
Hey, so what we have going on is a customer came in, no power steering, opened up the hood, and right away you can see up top here, right around the pump seal, it's been leaking for quite some time, kind of running down around the timing belt area. Upon further inspection, fluid leak is way down low at the fluid level. So we'll start up here, notice that right away with the pump, and then we'll work our way down and make sure there's no further leaks.
Alright, so what JoJo's going to be doing now, he's going to remove this front lower engine cover here so we can do further inspection on the power steering. Look underneath the vehicle right now, we have a good amount of power steering fluid all underneath the bottom part of this engine, around the oil pan, the engine block. So we're going to remove this lower engine cover and let's take a look further up.
So what we found dripping down, this rubber over time with age just starts to get dry and deteriorated, and then eventually forms a big old leak.
So JoJo, what is our conclusion? How are we going to get this customer back on the road safe and sound?
So the plan of action here is to replace the power steering pump that's leaking right now, replace 2 rubber hoses that are coming off the return reservoir, and then replace this one cooler line down here that's leaking actively. The importance of fixing the smaller leaks now is to avoid complete power steering system failure, leading all the way back to the steering rack, back up to the pump, the high pressure line, the whole system. Possible damages would be any extra air in the system can cause damage to all the seals throughout the steering rack, damage to the actual metal components inside of the steering rack from lack of lubrication, and then damage to the lines even going through it from built up pressure there.
Not to talk about the cost side of it. So, which could be a simple repair today can lead to a lot more if we were to wait on these type of repairs.